Periplast, engineering meets precision to build the future of plastic processing. We design, build, and install complete industrial solutions, tailored, reliable, and fully made in-house. Our engineering team transforms ideas into functional systems through advanced 3D design and co-development with our clients. From electrical panels to automation systems, we deliver complete control solutions, programmed and tested for seamless operation. In our metalworking division, we build durable structures and components with precision welding and machining. Every system is assembled and fully tested at our facilities, ensuring smooth integration at the customer's site. With installations across multiple continents, our teams provide on-site and remote support to keep every line running flawlessly. Periplast, engineering the right solution for your business.